This video provides a step-by-step guide for connecting a Hostinger domain to Base44. Before starting, confirm you have credentials for both platforms and that your domain is unlocked and not expired. Note if Base44 requires name servers or DNS records. Step 1 is to prepare your accounts and domain. In your Base44 dashboard, open the domain or hosting settings. Copy all required DNS records, including A records, CNAME, and any TXT verification records. Note recommended TTL values and SSL instructions. Step 2 involves getting Base44 DNS settings. Log into Hostinger and access the DNS zone editor for your domain. Add or edit A records to Base44 IPs. Replace existing ones if necessary. Add the CNAME record for www and the TXT record for domain verification. Save your changes. Step 3 is to update the Hostinger DNS records. Return to Base44 and click Verify or Check DNS. DNS propagation can take 24 to 48 hours, though it's often faster. Once records, verify, enable, or force SSL in Base44. Remember to clear your browser and Hostinger cache. Step 4 is to verify, enable SSL, and test. The key takeaways are to confirm account access, copy exact DNS values from Base44, and update Hostinger DNS records carefully. If you encounter issues, recheck the records, lower the TTL, and contact support if needed.